creator's got to create, right? And so think of that time that you actually have spent creating the initial content. And let's just be really honest. Are you going to do it again? Are you going to create something new again? And even with licensing, you can. That's great. But be aware of that time. So creation time, number one. Number two, look back at what you've done so far. And this is when you really need to start thinking of like forward future thinking about what you want. You got to market it. You have to sell it again and again and again, whether you only sell it sporadic times throughout the year, or whether you sell it through affiliate partners and you're out there shaking hands and kissing babies and teaching workshops and speaking on stages and doing those things, whatever that looks like for you. You're doing funnels. You are putting money into ad campaigns. You're hosting live online virtual events or webinars. You still have to constantly be turning that engine and planning it very well and tracking your sales metrics and your numbers. It's never going to change. That's it. Welcome to the rest of your life. That's what happens. And honestly, congratulations. Most people love it when they've reached this point. They never even know that there's another step called licensing. And they're just so happy. So they just keep staying in this place and they just do it again and again and again. And frankly, they get a lot better at it, but it doesn't change the fact that that's still the operation and the activity of what a B2C side of the business does. And just, a short little note here. There's a difference B2B and B2C. When I say B2C, basically it means that your business is delivering your end result directly from you to a consumer. That consumer might also be another business. In most cases, it actually is. But just know that. I'm talking about you delivering it, your company deliver, and direct selling it to one buyer. Even if you have group programs, you still have to sell each person to be like, yep, here you go. Here's my money. Click, click, click. It's just not going to change. And so those things are just always going to be the way of the world for you moving forward.